We all know how important it is for us to eat fresh vegetables. So today, guys, I'm going to City Deep to get more vegetables for us to cook tomorrow for our Christmas day. So please, guys, do come with us.
Moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back. Knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me. For me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus?
Hi guys, so we arrived at the Joburg City Deep Market. Guys, it was packed because some of the things were finished, but they were busy like loading more of the stuff that we needed. So there's a lot of things, guys, a lot of things. You see the potatoes, they start from the price of 80 rand up to 120 rand. Guys, I didn't even know that there's different types of potatoes. There's potatoes for cooking and there's potatoes for chips. Wow. Yeah, we learn every day. But guys, I would suggest that if you go to Joburg City Deep Market, you go very early. The early is like 6 o'clock. But again, I understand it was on the 24th. Everyone was there to buy everything for Christmas. So guys, today is the 25th of December and Merry Christmas to all of you. We went to another shop. There's a lot of shops, guys, that sells everything. There's noodles, there's like 5 liter of cooking oil, guys. It's 130 rand. I bought the 5 liter of cooking oil at Checkers. It was 180 rand, guys. I was like, why didn't I go to Joburg Market first before? You see, this is the cereals for the kids. And then there's oats as well. It's like 60 rand, 5 kg, guys. If you have school kids or if you are like big family, you go to City Deep, guys, and buy cheap stuff. Cheap. It's very cheap, guys. It's very cheap. I also bought this. It's what is it? It's Cocoa Pops. It was only 30 rand, guys. Only 30 rand. You know, if you have kids that goes to school, it's very important for you to go to Joburg City Deep Market. You will find everything that you need. Everything, guys. If I say everything, I'm saying everything, but you need to go there as early as possible. I bought sugar from Checkers as well, the 10 kg. It was 279 rand, but there it was only 130. Imagine, guys. All spices, the mayonnaise, the 3 kg of mayonnaise, it was 100 rand. Imagine, just imagine. I also bought a milk, a powder milk. It's even, they say it's way better than Cremora and other stuff. It was only 20 rand. Bye, guys, for now.